Well, still very much brush fire season here in Southwest Florida. Here's once again the stats on the fire in North Naples along Old 41 at Railhead Boulevard. 20 acres burned, 30% containment as the southwest wind from the Gulf has been blowing that smoke to the northeast. There's Bonita Beach Road for a reference. Actually, thanks to our partners at WeatherStem, here's a visual from one of the fire departments in Bonita Springs looking towards the south and west. And there's that smoke plume aloft as it heads northeast. Wind speeds right now about 10 to 13 miles an hour. You saw some of that on the live shot earlier here on Wink. As we zoom on in, I do have areas of rain that are popping. This is really about it at this hour, but we still have a chance of rain as we hit 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lehigh Acres, you guys are the lucky ones as this is generally heading to the west at 8 and 9 miles an hour. And if it does hold together, could bring you some brief rain all the way towards the Regional Medical Center, East Lee County High School. There's Mirror Lakes Elementary, all the way towards Gateway High School if it holds together. Temperatures upper 80s to near 90 degrees as we are seeing a mix of clouds and sunshine. High above from our tower cam shot here at Wink, 70s for this evening, a chance of isolated inland rain. There's a look at 8. All the way towards 9, 10, and 11, where some of us do have the opportunity to get soaked, but definitely not a widespread rain event. And overnight, that does wrap up. A slight chance for a spot shower tomorrow morning, but I do believe most are dry. Everybody's going to be humid with lows in the lower to middle 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, hot and humid day, sun and clouds with isolated inland storms. And if you live along the coast saying, hey man, what's the deal? We need some rain. Why is it mainly going inland? Has to do with the Gulf wind pattern blowing that better opportunity. There are the accumulations tomorrow, especially east of the interstate. So here's how it all plays out during the morning towards noon, keeping the rain chances low. Even by 3, a few showers, but nothing crazy. And then as we hit 5, 6, and 7, we tack on some more. And you know, I'm not expecting a big rain coverage event tomorrow, but it's going to be pretty limited to mainly inland. There's a look at 8, 9, and 10. Lake Okeechobee seeing the best opportunity, and then eventually that will fizzle out. More chances for rain, however, over the next couple of days. The best window of time is the weekend towards Monday and Tuesday, and that is where we have the better opportunity to see some of this, which over the next 7 days, 1 inch of rain, even some nearing 2, will be a possibility. Now, it's not going to be a drought buster, but it's going to try to chip away at this drought and deficit, which since the beginning of the year is about 4 to 6 inches below average. We're also getting closer to the official start of our rainy season. Normally, when we really get into the thick of rainy season, it's early June, but we officially start to kind of get things going as we hit mid-May. Here's the forecast. Chances for rain looking ahead to the weekend, upper 80s and lower 90s. And then we do see, ironically, towards the start of rainy season, some drier air and lower rain chances.
All right, Matt, thank you.